नमस्कार बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हो। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं सब्सट्रैक्शन बाय बोरोइंग। इसके पहले की वीडियो में हमने सीखा है एडिशन बाय कैरिंग ओवर। अभी हम इस चैप्टर में सीखेंगे सब्सट्रैक्शन कैसे करना है। विदाउट बोरोइंग सब्सट्रैक्शन आपको तो आता ही है। तो अगर हमें बोरो करना है, बोरो मतलब सिंपली क्या हो जाता है, बोरो मतलब किसी से उधार लेना। तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, जो बिसाइड नंबर है उससे हम क्या करेंगे, वन नंबर बोरो करेंगे, रिसीव करेंगे, उनसे वन नंबर हम ले लेंगे जो बाजू का नंबर है। लुक स्टूडेंट, हियर इज 62. We have to subtract 27 from 62. We have to subtract 7 from 2. Is this possible? हम स्मॉल नंबर से बिग नंबर सब्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं क्या? बिल्कुल भी नहीं। तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस नंबर को बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा ना। तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो बिसाइड नंबर है मतलब जो 10 प्लेस है, 10 प्लेस से हम क्या करेंगे, 110 यूनिट प्लेस पे लेंगे। तो क्या बन जाएगा, 12 बन जाएगा कि नहीं। तो अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम 12 वी कैन माइनस 7। सो इस प्रोसीजर को कहते हैं बोरिंग। 12 minus 7 is 5, and then here how many left? From 6 we borrow here 1, then here left 5 tens. So now from 5 we have to minus 2, then we get 3. So our answer is 35. Now what we have to do here, similar procedure we have to do. Look student, from 3 we cannot minus 5. So what we have to do, we have to borrow 1, 10 from 10 place. So how many remain here? First of all we have to cut this and we have to write here 6. Now this number we have to write here. So from 13 we have to minus 5. We get 8. 6 minus 4 we get 2. So our answer is 28. Now 1 minus 8, similar procedure we have to do here. From 8 10 we have to borrow 1, and here how many left, 7 10. This one we have to cut, this one we have to cut, and this one we have to write here. So from 11 we have to minus 8. How many left? 11 minus 8, 3. 7 minus 5, 2. Now here is 0. Similar we have to borrow 1 from 10 place. So here will be 8. 1 we have to write here. This 0 as it is we have to write here. So how many? 10 unit. From 10 unit we have to minus 9. Then how many left? 1. 8 minus 6, how many? 2. Do you understand student? Now look student, 1 minus 8 is not possible. Then what we have to do? First of all 1 right here. This we have to cut it. Then from 7 we have to borrow 1. Here how many left? 6 10. Now 11 minus 8, 3. 6 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1. Next students, you have to do with me. Okay, मुझसे पहले आपको सॉल्व करना है। आपको तो कंसेप्ट समझ में आई, तो अभी मुझे सॉल्व करके बताइए। 4, this 4 we have to write here. Then from 5 we borrow 1. Here we have to write 4. 14 minus, this one also we have to cut. 14 minus 6, how many? 8. 14 minus 6, 8. 4 minus 5 is not possible. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 beside number. 1 we have to write here. Here we have to write down 5. 14 minus 5, how many left? 9. Then 5 as it is we have to write here. Do you understand, student? Now students, we have to solve remaining problems. Now 5 minus 6 is also not possible. Then we have to borrow beside number. But on 10 place 0 is present. So we can't borrow from 10. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow from 100 place. Now first this 5 we have to write down here. Cut this one. 0 is here. We have to cut this one also. Here is 2. So from 100 place we have to borrow 100. 1 to the 10 place. Then how many here? 100 means how many? 10, 10. So this 0 we have to write here. From 2 we borrow 1. So how many left here? 1. That we have to write here. Now look student. This is now 10, 10. So from 10, 10 we borrow 1 to the unit place. Then how many left here? From 10 we borrow 1 here. Then how many left? 9, 10. So we have to write here 9. 9. So 15 minus 6, how many? 9. 9 we have to write as it is. How many left here? 1. So as it is we have to write here 1. Do you understand, student? This is also very easy subtraction. Here is 0. Here is 0. Here is 3. On 100 place 3 means 300. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 on 10 place. When we borrow 1 on 10 place, then how many left here? Here left 2. Here we have to write 1. And this 0 we have to write here. So how many here? 10, 10. Then what we have to do? This 0 we have to write here. And we have to borrow 1 to unit place. Then how many left here? 9. So we have to rub this and write 9. Students, you can directly write here 9 also if you got this concept clear. अगर आपको ये कंसेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आई है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे 9 लिख सकते हो और यहाँ पे 10 लिख सकते हो. अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो इनिशियली आप जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो इन दिस वे प्रैक्टिस करना, फिर धीरे धीरे आप अच्छे से कर पाओगे. तो आप डायरेक्टली भी 9 and 10 इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट. अगर आपको आता है तो आप डायरेक्टली ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. 10 minus 5, how many left? 5. 9 minus 9, 0. Here is 2. So 2 we have to write as it is. Similar here is also. Now I am directly writing. From 8 we have to borrow here. So here is 7. Here is 9. And here 10. Do you understand, student? Why? From 100 place we borrow 1 here. And from 10 place we borrow 1 here. So on 10 place 9 will left. And here 10 unit. So from 10 we have to minus 7. Then how many left? 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. So next one we have to solve. Now, this one is also very easy. We have to only arrange vertically. Arrange vertically means what? In this way, we have to arrange that and subtract. This is also very easy. Okay, student. From this, we have to make 3-digit, biggest possible 3-digit. From this number, from these numbers, we have to make it and smallest possible 3-digit number. This is also very easy. You can do it. Now we are going to solve word problems. There are 175 trees in Maharaj Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaj Park? So what we have to do? First of all, write down 268 trees in Sayaji Park. हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaj Park? सयाजी पार्क में महाराज पार्क से कितनी ज्यादा ट्रीज है? तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा फिर? पहले सयाजी पार्क में कितनी ट्रीज है वो लिखना पड़ेगा और सयाजी पार्क में से महाराज पार्क की ट्रीज वो हमें सबट्रैक्ट करनी पड़ेगी. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा आंसर? हाउ मेनी मोर ट्रीज आर देयर इन सयाजी पार्क. सयाजी पार्क में मोर ट्रीज कितने हैं महाराज पार्क से? वो आंसर हमें यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. तो चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 268 trees in Sayaji Park, then 175 trees in Maharaj Park. Now subtract this. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from beside place. Here is 6. Then 16 minus 7 is 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So write down answer. Sayaji Park has 93 more trees. Sayaji Park has 93 more trees. Easy है ना बच्चों? There were some books in bookshop. The shopkeeper bought 125 more. Now there are 234 books in the shop. What is given? The shopkeeper bought 125 more. Now there are 234 books in the shop. How many were there in the beginning? तो बिगिनिंग में उनके पास कितने बुक्स थे वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 234 बुक्स इन शॉप. तो हमें ये लिखना पड़ेगा. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इन नोटबुक. Simply we have to draw that 100 place, 10 place, unit place. First of all, we have to write down here numbers. Subtract 125. 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer is 109 books in the beginning. So this one we have to write this answer in sentence. There were 109 books in the beginning. Next one. There are 350 girls and 215 boys in a school. How many more girls are there than boys? So, second one, 100 tens unit. How many girls are there? There are 350 girls and 215 boys in a school. How many more girls are there than boys? बॉयज से ज़्यादा कितने गर्ल्स हैं ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो उसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन 350 गर्ल्स. 350 girls. Subtract 215 boys. Now we have to subtract this. From 0 we can't subtract 5. So what we have to do? Simply cut this one, write 4 and 1 we borrow here, then write this 0 on upside. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 135. More girls than boys. So write in sentence, there are 135 girls more than boys. Do you understand, student? Thank you so much, students, for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Take care.